Pulse Fire UBF Flamethrower. We're gonna test it out with straight gas and then add diesel, see the flame difference. But first, let's see what's in the box. Let's just skip the unboxing and get right into it. To start off, it comes with a rechargeable battery and the charger, of course. You just plug that in and wait until all these lights turn green and it's fully charged. Now, to connect this to the flamethrower itself, it's just a simple little snap in just like that. And then you slide your battery into the slot. It's got a little Velcro tie down. Pull that through, strap, tuck your wires in. Tuck that little guy in. Slide the cover on. It's got a little nut back here in the back that you just twist on. Now, another cool thing about this is it does wobble, yes, but it has a little stand. You just pull that out. Now you can take the lid off and fill it up with gas, and it's not going to wobble around. Another thing is, yes, you can mount this to a certain other product that would be extra cool. But it does come with a little handle. You just slide that in there, clamp it down, you're ready to go. Now up here in the front, you got a little switch. Press that, lights come on, boom, now we got power, and you're ready to go. Bottom button, that's your little flame juice button. Let's not click that, but it is empty, so don't worry about that. So let's go test it out. Flamethrower, gas, diesel, water, just in case things get out of control. So we're gonna do a mixture, 50-50 gas diesel. Let's see how it works. Right on the back side, you get this little leg kick, so that way it can stay a little more flush. Take off our cap. Now I'm not gonna lie, I hate these gas heads. Alright, so that looks pretty good. Let that drip off. Do some diesel. Beautiful. Screw the cap back on. That should be good, right? Nothing dangerous here. All right, so first we're gonna undo the gas, turn the power on, give it just a second. Now, we got 20 feet to my safety water. From here, safety water is 20 feet away. Let's see if it can reach. Yes, sir. Water is in use. Beautiful. 20 feet? I believe so. Okay, let's do more flames. Dang, this thing's hot. Great for weed control. Toasty. Okay, so we got all the diesel gas mixture out. Let's try straight gas. I dropped it in the sand. Okay, don't drop it. Took a second to clean off. Okay, so we got our same 20 feet. Still at the bottle. This is gas only mixture. Get the diesel gas mix out of the way. This one definitely more of a fireball. This one feels a lot hotter for sure. Huh? Always scary, I wonder. Trying to see how long it'll last, but it's getting so hot. Gotta do it in pulses. I'm scared about the tree up there too. Okay, that was it. So, it didn't take too long to run out. Just a few pulse fires. See why it's called Pulse Fire. gets too hot. A few of those and it pretty much tanked the gas can. Not even a wiggle jiggle inside of there. I see why everyone says get the backpack version. That sucker is gonna hold a whole lot more, especially if you're gonna be doing a lot more than just spraying it at a water bottle. Let's see how fast it gets rid of this cardboard box. Wife's gonna be like, why'd you do it in our driveway? Well, this is the only place that doesn't have grass. You know, it's a lot of fire. Maybe we should settle down. Now we'll put it out. Woo! A little pile of ash. So if you're looking at getting yourself a flamethrower, yes, it's definitely worth it. It does shoot up to 20 feet. It does use gas really fast. I mean, really fast. You got about a good 30 seconds until you're out. Maybe 45. That's if you're just going ham sandwich right away. Diesel gas mixture, definitely way better. I mean, to be honest, it's not that heavy. But if you're gonna be mounting this on anything, like what it shows on the box, that sucker is gonna be heavy as all get out. So what do you think about the Pulsefire? I got it on sale for $350 at PSA. I'll even drop a link down below because this is probably the best deal I've ever seen for a flamethrower like this. Thanks for watching.